In this video, I'm giving you top 5 ERP software. I have spent countless time and countless money in providing you with this. Over my years and years of experience, I found that this software is extremely important, and I've went through all of them from using them from small businesses to my medium-sized businesses, even to my large-scale size. And looking at scalability was a big thing for me. Ease of use was also a big plus. And, well, pricing was a big thing, but not too much because I understand the importance of them. Well, if you click in the link in the description, you're going to find some freebies and some discounts that actually will help you save this time and money along with this video. So once we complete this, jump there, try them for yourself. Now, number one spot must go to Oracle NetSuite. Now, it is written for cloud, and it actually focused on the ease of use and the modularity of it as well. It actually has a very solid financials platform that can be easily expanded to meet your other business needs. And all you have to do this is buy additional functionality through the cloud, which was really great. Let's get on to some of the pros of Oracle. It actually has solid customer relation management features, was very handy. Now, it has broad resource planning features that apply to a wide variety of businesses. So no matter what your niche is, this can help you. Now, it actually had excellent drill down capabilities from several system views, which I found very helpful, and it made reporting simple. And then custom process workflows were even better to have. And it was very easy for me to navigate with the dashboards. So being that the dashboards were very organized and hierarchical, it really helped me out. Now, 3 bad things about this was that the help system was confusing. It was difficult to actually configure the system for specific roles, and it was broad but complex feature set, so it can be a little confusing and it can be a little overwhelming at times, a little. Not as much as some other platforms, but I still found it very great to use. Now, number 2, Denali by Cougar Mountain. Now, this is aimed mostly at mid-sized businesses, and it has a wide variety of expansion modules. Its design can be a little lackluster in some places, but for a lot of businesses, it does provide a very serviceable financial platform. Some of the pros of this was that the navigation was very easy, and 2 of the 3 bundles actually include crystal reports, was a big plus for me. Now, available as a single purchase or monthly payments. So if you want to buy all of it together, or if you want to make monthly payments as well, this is great. Now, it can be purchased directly through a reseller channel, and the Fun Accounting Edition is available for it as well. Some of the cons, another 3 con deal. Now, the crystal reports actually cost $495 extra, even for the most basic bundle. So report filters and data entry screens are not intuitive for me. So this one thing that kind of turned me down, and there's not many charting or graphing capabilities with most modules. So depending on if you're a visual person or not, you need to keep that in mind if you're considering Cougar Mountain. Okay. Let's talk about spot number 3, Syspro. Now, it is a very strong contender for ERP of small to mid-sized and large businesses. Now, the system is flexible. When I say it's flexible, it's extremely flexible. It's very comprehensive and it's easy to use. And it actually offers a mountain of reports and easily scaling from 1 to several hundred users. Now, some of the pros of this is that it's excellent for production, distribution, warehousing, and retail businesses. And it uses its own point of sale and demand for forecasting engines as well. So it's comprehensive, but it's very easy to use, which is a big thing. So if you're looking for comprehensive, but you need a little bit of ease, this is going to be the perfect one for you. Now, it's extensive in the amount of available modules, so you have lots of choices. Some of the cons of this, though, is that there's no payroll or HR modules. And, well, I need that. Now, it can look overwhelming for some smaller businesses, but it's not. But so that is a con, though, because if you just look at it and it looks too overwhelming, then it can just kind of scare you a little bit. But in all, Syspro was fantastic. So number 4, AccountMate. AccountMate is a very solid entry into that smaller mid-sized business, whether it's your financials, your inventory management, and your resource planning. Now, it's missing some sophisticated features that other products have, but it's very usable and configurable. Now, some of the pros for this is that it has many report export options, so you can export them with more choices. It has great transaction drill down, and it has extensive online training and help functionality, so if you find yourself in a snag, they're going to help you. And it has a solid audit trail report capability, so also another big plus. Some of the cons though, again, no HR or PIS module for implementations for ERP, limited graphics and charting, and the task shortcuts need to be configured. And really, there's no true dashboards and no process flowchart navigation, which was kind of annoying for me, but it's depending on who you are and what your businesses are and how you need it. But overall, AccountMate was pretty great. Acumatica. Acumatica actually has an intuitive design. It has enterprise scalability and flexible pricing module help that actually make it an excellent choice for enterprise resource planning, general ledger accounting, and inventory management. It has a lot of pros, but some of the cons for me were a big turnoff landing it at the spot it's at now. So it has on-premises or cloud deployment. It has a robust amount of costing methods, and it works on many different databases. It has solid reporting, non-user based pricing, and it accommodates growing companies. Now, it has a browser-based app, which actually makes it easy for your mobile device, so you can take it everywhere. And your navigation can be easy. Some of the cons. Estimating the licensing cost can be difficult, so that was a big thing that took me a lot of time. The standard report fillers actually need customizing, and the reliance on third-party add-ons needed if you're trying to use this outside of manufacturing and distribution verticals. So that was a big thing. So if you're doing manufacturing or distribution, this is great for you, but if not, this is probably not the best one, and because you have to go to third-party add-ons. And the unusual pricing structure made it very, very confusing for me to really understand what am I paying. And yet I have to go through again and continue to try to get everything in order as far as what I'm going to pay as well for this. But overall, it's okay. Acumatica does do the job. And if you're looking for distribution, of course, it's honestly almost perfect. Now, I've went over to the top 5 ERP tools for you as well here. And so you're going to be able to use this to save you that time, to save you that money. So jump right now to the link in the description. Try these out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Which ones were easy for you to use and which ones weren't. Or if I spoke about one you were considering, I hope this video really saved you a lot of time. Thank you for watching.